TRX, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the price almost tagged 13, but we see the rejection because we mentioned we're looking for continuation. And the first level we have been looking for was 0.144, following by 0.169. All right. Anyway, we can put this one in relative to this. And at this point, we can look at this one as a flat, because most of the chart they have a similar movement. How deep this one can go, even we can expect the price to retest 0.08 before we get the reversal, since the price broke the previous top. But we don't need to wait for the price to retest the previous low. Any reversal, any trade setup for buy from now, we will take it. And in this case, we move to forward chart. The only thing is, based on forward chart, after we get this sharp drop following by this correction, still we can consider this one as an internal flat, and we can look for one more drop before we get the reversal. This is the best option if we get the trade. Right, that's mean this is the best option we can look for. May I say this way? This is the best option if we can look for one more drop before we get the reversal. The reason is, if we get one more drop based on forward chart, we can look for divergence. It can give us better confirmation for reversal rather than the price reverse from here, because at this point we don't see the divergence. Anyway, right now, whether we should look for reversal from here or we wait for one more drop before we get the reversal, this is the best option we can look for. It doesn't mean we have to wait for one more drop before we get the reversal. If we get any opportunity for buy from here based on 1 hour chart, we will take it, but we consider as a short term. What I mean by short term, if we see is not moving our direction as a sharp move, or if it turns to a corrective move, either we move our stop loss to break even or we take out the trade. That means we won't keep the trade if it's not moving in our direction. And any trade from now, if we get, we can look for 0.11 cent, following by 0.114, following by 0.117. This is not the target. We need to see the breakout of any of this level if we get any opportunity for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, at this point, we're looking at this. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And we need to see the breakout of the 11 cent at this point. Even we can look for this one for one move up before we get the trade. I mean, before we get the one more drop, before we get, and then reversal. We need to be aware. That's why any trade for buy from here, we need to see the breakout of the 11 following by 0.114. This zone is the most important. And with the breakout of 0.117, then we can confirm we are within the uptrend as a long term. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.